Have you noticed something strange in Bangalore lately? Your salary might have gone up by 10 to 15% in the last 2 years, but your house rent has gone up by 15 to 20% in the last 2 years. So the big question is, why are rentals in Bangalore are rising so fast, much faster than the salaries? And more importantly, what does this mean for you as a tenant or a property investor? Let's break it down. Bangalore has always been known as India's tech capital, but something very unusual has happened in the past 2 to 3 years. After the COVID, lakh of people returned to the city, new IT parks came up, and suddenly the demand of rental home exploded. At the same time, supply of quality home did not catch up, and that's why the imbalance began. Today, why we are at the point where tenants are struggling to keep up while landlords are smiling and making a good money. So let's look at why this imbalance exists. The reasons rental are rising faster than the salaries. The first reason is migration. During COVID, thousands of tech employees left Bangalore and went back to their hometown. And during that phase, developers slowed down the construction. But once offices reopened, all of them rushed back to the same city. Suddenly, 10 people were chasing one rental property. Basic economics: more demand, less supply equals higher rentals. And the second reason is IT growth. North Bangalore around the airport, East Bangalore around Whitefield, and Sarjapura with the tech parks have seen massive hiring in the next 2 years. Each time companies add 10,000 employees, they all need homes. Salary may rise gradually, but rental demand gone really high. 500 people line up for 50 apartments. The third reason, supply delays. Many developers delayed the project because of the COVID, the material cost, labor shortage, and slower approval by the government body. That means very few apartments delivered during the phase of 2022 and 2023, but demand was exploding. That gap directly pushed up the rentals high. The fourth reason, which is very strong, is the lifestyle upgrades. Tenants who earlier lived in old apartment are now demanding newer gated communities with amenities like gym, clubhouse, and security. Naturally, the rental in this premium project shoot up by 40 to 50%, creating a ripple effect across the market. But this rent boom isn't all good news. It has created new challenges, both for a tenant and for investors. The first challenge is affordability. When your rent jump from 25k to 40k in 1 year, it's eat up your entire salary hike. That is why many young professionals are now reconsidering whether it's even makes sense to stay in a city or go toward the outskirts. And trust me, the second challenge, which is a major, companies themselves are feeling the pressure. Higher rental means employees are demanding higher salaries just to survive in Bangalore. That's push up HR cost, and some startup are already exploring tier 2 cities as a cheaper alternative. And the third challenge, while rising the rent looks great for the landlords, the entry cost of buying a property has gone up sharply. That means new investors need deeper pockets, which limits how many can actually take advantage of rent boom. For example, 4 years back, people bought a 2 BHK at 75 lakh rupees, and the rentals are coming around 50,000. It makes a lot of sense. But today the entry cost of 2 BHK has gone 1.5 crore to 1.6 crore. But your rentals will be hardly of 50,000. And that's where the gap comes over here. The challenge will be the entry cost into the market for the new buyer. So what should you do if you are a tenant? Don't just chase the trendy location. Explore emerging corridors and the metro location that connects the city very well, and the location which are upcoming, maybe little far but have a better connectivity, you should opt in. You should prefer upcoming location, maybe far from the city limits, but if you are getting better connectivity and easy rentals on your pocket, you should consider. And if you are an investor, this is your golden window. Rising rental plus stable salaries means more and more tenants will prefer renting over buying. That means you can expect strong cash flow for the next 3 to 5 years, provided you pick the right micro market for yourself. So the bottom line is very simple. Rentals in Bangalore are rising because demand has exploded, supply has lagged, and tenants are chasing better lifestyle and better communities. salaries will eventually catch up, but for the next few years, landlords are clearly winning the game. Now, tell me in the comments, are you currently struggling with the high rents, or are you enjoying as a landlord with the good rentals? And if you found this breakdown useful, hit like and subscribe, because here we do not sell hype. We explain the real story behind Indian real estate.